Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Mom in Practice. Today I am going to share with you a very delicious recipe of Hyderabad, which is all-time favorite and everyone's favorite, which is Kali Mirchi Gosht or mutton pepper fry. To prepare this recipe we need about 250 grams of boneless mutton, 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies cut into half and slit, few mint leaves, half bunch of coriander leaves finely chopped, and the most important ingredient, black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons. Let's take a pressure cooker, add about 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Add the onions, saute it for a while. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Saute till the raw smell of it disappears. Now let's add the mutton in it. Fry the mutton about 5 minutes. Now let's add 2 teaspoons full of black pepper powder. Saute it. Now let's add salt as per your taste. Green chilies, some coriander leaves and mint leaves. Let's add half cup of water. Mix them. Cover the lid and pressure cook it for about 5 to 6 whistles. Let's check the mutton. It's almost got tender. I have transferred this to a pan. There is still some water left. Let's cook with some more spices. Let's add half teaspoonful of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoonful of coriander powder, half teaspoonful of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoonful of garam masala powder, which is whole spices powder. Here we are not going to add any red chili powder because it's a mutton pepper fry, so we have added the black pepper instead of red pepper. So let's cook it till the water evaporates. This is almost like a gravy. If you want to have like a gravy, you can stop it here, but I would like to fry it more. So let's fry till it gets dried up. That's it guys, the water has been evaporated and the mutton is frying in the oil. Now let's top it with some chopped coriander. This is ready. Serve this delicious Kali Mirchi Gosht with rotis, chapatis or plain rice with dal. It would be very delicious. If you like this delicious recipe, please subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends. Be healthy, be happy, take care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.